Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I got myself into this situation. Well, it all started 2 days ago when my mom woke me up for school.
Okay, so as I'm sat here editing this back and watching it, I realised that I didn't actually speak much because I was so busy in the moment, either just trying to get video clips for you guys and just keeping you updated. So apologies that I have been absolutely shocking at actually speaking to you, but this is the current situation, or was the current situation. So as you'll see, it got worse before it got better, and I felt like that was just a vicious cycle for about a week. No, that's a slight exaggeration. It was just a couple of days, but it definitely took its toll because I'm such a neat freak. Like when I go to bed, I like the room to be tidy. When I wake up, I like the room to be tidy just because it makes me feel better and good for the day. But anyway, yeah, this was the sort of mess that we were living in.
What are you doing? Is it bedtime?
If you don't talk to your dogs or pets like that, then we can't be friends. This is the situations. We've got bed on the floor for tonight because our bed's not coming until Monday and we didn't expect to sell it so quickly. But it was better to get it gone than just kind of hang around with it. That's the bookcase, or bookcases. We're probably going to get rid of this one, but this one's definitely staying. I'm getting a new desk tomorrow, so that will be changing. Those drawers will be going. So we're getting there. And then I'm going to get new bedding. I'm going to probably paint this back wall a nice brown. I've got some Pinterest inspiration as per. I want to get some nice mirrors that will go either side of the bed. I'll insert like, oh, blurry. Come on, focus please. I'll insert some like Pinterest inspo that I'm thinking of doing for something similar on this back wall, because the idea is like this half is going to be the bed, which is all nice, very girly, very aesthetically pleasing. That won't be there, and then like the rest of the room is going to be kind of Billy's working space, which is unaesthetic and just more practical, but you know, we move. So that's going to be his half. This will be my half eventually when we move that. But yeah, that's the situation. So that is day one over, and yeah, I will be taking you along with me to IKEA tomorrow to pick out a desk, and I don't think I need anything else from IKEA, just the desk really, but my brother and sister are coming because they love the Swedish meatballs. But anyway, good night, I'm switching it off. I will see you tomorrow. No meatballs today, so we got breakfasts. So loud, and then the second one you didn't tell me about, you were on floor and there was someone stood right next to me.
Oh,
old woman, she did not look impressed.
She can shine your boots.
Shine your boots. No, leave it, move. Just sit down.
But say what you really mean, Sam.
You kept getting in the way.
Why is that there, your sausage? We're taking it out.
What?
These need to come out.
Yeah. We're not moving them first, moving that there and then taking them out.
They're there by the door. Why wouldn't you take them straight out?
I've got to empty them.
What? Fuck all, have you? What have you done today, young lady?
What are you on about? You haven't done all.
You haven't done anything today, have you? Been just chauffeured around, chilling out, went for lunch.
What have you done today?
She got us what?
You said you've been sat on the sofa all day. God, and you had food ordered for you. Rude, man. You could have cooked tea for me. I wouldn't go through them. You might find my bullet.
What is it, a 50 BMG? It's a tank casing.
I hope you find one now. There is one to be found.
I'm ignoring all your negativity.
I didn't know that worked for one person.
Blackmailed the haters.
Oh, no, I didn't know that worked for one
No, do you want me to sign them out?
I'm blocking you out.
God, you even left some plastic on.
Oh. Take measure. Oh, I love that. You wouldn't Sam. That's gonna be accurate, isn't it? What? She's just doing her like Mr. Bean.
Maybe this desk is too small.
What? Are you wetting me? The heating needs to be off then. Who's got the heating on?
Who do you think? Ooh. She's in trouble.
Is the heating on? Is the heating on? No, heating's on. Yeah, turn off Babs please, I'm dying. Water's on. Water's on!
Yeah, the water for this is on.
Yeah, the water to heat up the radiator's on.
The windscreen, oh yeah. And she starts giggling as she's walking towards the thing. Like you didn't know.
Oh, you're moving my book!
I told you. Some of them have to come off. Right, excuse me.
You were excused. I have really scabby ear. Oh, wow.
What?
Great view.
You've got a really nice camera angle of my face.
I'm not putting up with this abuse.
No, but that's how we had it before.
Well, that's why then.
Why? Why is
What is it? Or is it not?
It's not ideal, no.
We have a bed, and so Dad is thrilled to be building it.
Yeah, 'cause I love building this version.
Beds.
Gas
I
lift
love
up beds.
beds.
Oh.
Beds.
But he has a helper. And me. Well, I just sit here, ask if he needs help, and he says no. But that's still being useful.
Oh, you mean when you told me not to?
You open that one.
Oh! Come on, off.
Hey, Vader, come on.
Come on. Off! Come on! Off! Lucy, come on! Off! Good boy. Off! Good boy. Okay, I'm actually going to leave this video here. Stay tuned for part 2 where you're going to see more about the decoration and the fine details. Thank you guys so much. See you next time.